Why during rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, the flash of light is seen first and later on it is where the sound due to thunderstorm is heard. This is due to one reason. The reason is that the flash of light is seen first because light travels at the fastest speed, as its speed is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second, while a sound of thunderstorm is heard later on because sound wave travels at the slowest speed if we compare to that of light. So that's why we see first the flash of light and later on we hear the sound due to a thunderstorm.